Good morning, dear. Today we are going to start a chapter that is market around us. Or in this chapter, dear, we will discuss about market which are around us, and we will discuss in this chapter about what are the markets, what are the weekly market, shopping malls, some shops are which are located are nearby. We will discuss all these things where we discuss who is the supplier and who consume the product. So in market there are the two types of service are available. First one is the goods, another one is the service. So first we should be know about goods and service. What are the difference between the goods and services? So goods are the product which sell in market. Goods are the product like a chalk is the product, blackboard it is a product, mobile it is product, laptop like a product, and service like I am taking a particular topic. It means I am providing the service. I am not there is I am providing the service that is known as the service. Suppose you are taking the service of particular doctor, that is known as the service. Suppose you are taking the service of particular doctor, that is the service. You are taking the service of any lawyer, that is the service. So these are the service. There is no such production in service. एक तरह जैसे सर्विस प्रोवाइड होती है और एक तरफ प्रोडक्शन होता है, तो गुड्स का प्रोडक्शन होता है, तो मार्केट में बोथ थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल, प्रोडक्शन एंड सर्विस. सपोज यू आर परचेसिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट, that is the product goods, and if you are taking the service, that is service. Suppose you are visiting the market, you are taking the transport, that is the service only, that is service. Suppose from a shop till your home, if you are taking 10 product, so it will be 10 till your home, घर तक भी 10 ही रहेंगे. तो ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या है? इट इज प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विस ओनली. तो मार्केट में गुड्स एंड सर्विस होती है. इन सीनियर क्लासेस यू विल स्टडी टू वर्ड, गुड्स एंड सर्विस. तो इन मार्केट गुड्स आल्सो अवेलेबल एंड सर्विस आल्सो अवेलेबल बाय यूजिंग ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्ट, बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस, communication. These are the example of service here. So in this chapter we will discuss about the which are the market which are located or surrounding, which are located in the form of shopping mall, invest by the multinational company, MNCs, multinational companies. In this we will discuss about the market. So market is the place where we can purchase the goods and services, where one person is supply the goods and service. This is known as the producer. Who supply the goods and services, such person is known by the producer, who produce the service and goods. And another one who consume the particular product, such person is known as the consumer. So market is the link between the producer and consumer. Suppose anyone factory producing the football, anyone factory producing the cricket bat, anyone factory producing the cricket ball. So these are the producer who produce the goods and who consume the particular product, that is known as the consumer. So consumer can't visit the factory dear. That's why a mediator is required, from where we can purchase the goods. Or who is the mediator where this product are available? Market. So market is the mediator which play the important role between the producer and consumer. Okay. So one is the supply the goods and another one demand the goods. So you know, when suppose in market there are the 10 supply or demand 15 की है. Suppose 10 product are available, any 10 unit are available in the market. Unit मतलब quantity. 10 units are available in market और डिमांड है 15 की, तो उस प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस क्या होगी? हाई होगी. ओके, क्योंकि कंज्यूम करने वाले कितने बेटा? 15 है, और हु इज सप्लाई कितनी है? ओनली 10 है. तो 5 सप्लाई क्या हो गई, शॉर्ट हो गई, तो इट मीन्स प्राइसेज विल राइज अप। और इफ रिवर्स में भी हैपेंस, 15 सप्लाई एंड ओनली डिमांड क्या है, डिमांड है ओनली एस फॉर सप्लाई डी फॉर डिमांड। 15 की सप्लाई हो रही है, 15 प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है मार्केट में एंड डिमांड है ओनली 10 प्रोडक्ट की, डिमांड 10 की है, तो प्राइसेस विल बी डिक्रीज। तो वेयर द एस सप्लाई एंड डिमांड ग्राफ meet together, that is what is the price. We will study such diagram in class 11. सप्लाई एंड डिमांड जहाँ एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करते हैं, सप्लाई एंड डिमांड, वहाँ पे प्राइस फिक्स होती है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की। ओके, लेटर ऑन विल डिस्कस आल्सो व्हेन वी आर फ्री अबाउट द डिमांड एंड सप्लाई। तो इन दिस वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द व्हाट आर द मार्केट। तो मार्केट इज द प्लेस where we can purchase the goods and services, and it is the link between the producer and consumer. Okay, second one is the weekly market. What is the weekly market? So weekly market is the place where the market held a specific day of week, that is known as the weekly market. When a market held a specific day of week, that is known as the weekly market. Okay, and shop may be not a permanent like a hawkers, vegetable vendor, and different goods are available in this market, or mostly such products are available in this market which are not branded. So such products are available at the cheap cost in weekly market, because in this market there is no such permanent shop are required, no electricity charges are required, no such branded are available in this market. That's why in this market products are cheaply available, and thousands of such markets are held in the towns and in rural areas today also. These are the weekly market. Trade set up the shops in this market and it held a specific day of week, that is known as the weekly market. What are the advantage of the weekly market? Things are needs. What things we need, it available in this market. So earlier what those people who are living in that surrounding the theater, so they visit a specific day of week in particular area where the weekly market held specific day of week and purchase whatever needs, what product needs by them, so they purchase in the huge quantity, that is known as the weekly market. And what are the shops in neighborhood? So you've seen there are many shops are located in your neighborhood, like a dairy shop, stationery shop. Some shops are the ration and kirana store shops are available, which are available in your area, from where you can purchase whatever needs, whatever daily item needs. In this, such products are available. These shops are useful for near homes because it is located near the home and we can go there and any day of week we can purchase the product from the such shop any day of week, KCB time. And what are the benefit of another benefit of, we can take the product from that shop on the credit also. Okay, so these are the such shop which are located in our nearby. When we demand for such facility, so these are located. And now today in market, so today dear, there is the different app which are selling their product through the internet. Some product maybe through the home delivery, some product they are providing home delivery, you can book your product from the internet also. And what are the shopping complex? So shopping complex is a place which work like a weekly market at a one place. All the products are available, like eatable item also, electronic product also, electrical product also, clothes also, when early time what happens when a people maybe visit purchase the clothes, so they visit particular cloth market. If they want to purchase the electronic item, so there is the separate market for electronic. So that's why a mall self construct and all the product are available at the one plus at below the one roof. एक छत के नीचे सब प्रोडक्ट को लाकर दिया गया. That is known as the shopping malls. So these shopping malls are located in where the which populations are located in that area. Mass population are living in that area like a metro cities and in big cities. That is known as the shopping complex. It invested by the multinational companies. M means multi, N means national, C means company. So there are the many multinational companies which shopping malls are located in big cities. So these are the points we have discussed today here regarding the market. Another one topic we are going to discuss all the relation between the demand and supply. So you know this is the graph and price like 0, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees, 25 rupees, 30 rupees. Okay, this is the unit. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means quantity. We can say quantity or price. Yes. Okay. You will identify. Okay. Which line? Demand or supply. तो when their price is 30 rupees, किसी प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस 30 रुपीज है, तो वी आर परचेजिंग द लेस यूनिट, कम से कम हम परचेज करेंगे. when price will be 20 rupees, तो वी आर परचेजिंग द 3 यूनिट. when price is the 15 rupees, तो वी आर परचेजिंग द 4 यूनिट. ओके. when price is 10 rupees, वी आर परचेजिंग, यानी प्राइस डिक्रीज हो रही है तो हम ज़्यादा परचेज कर रहे हैं, प्राइस इंक्रीज हो रही है तो हम कम परचेज कर रहे हैं. तो सब लाइन फॉर व्हाट? डिमांड. दिस इज द डिमांड लाइन. डिमांड मतलब व्हाट एवर डिमांड बाय द कंज्यूमर. कंज्यूमर के द्वारा क्या क्या डिमांड की जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज द डिमांड लाइन. ओके. तो सपोज टोमेटो की प्राइस मार्केट में 40 रुपीज़ हो गई तो हम कम परचेज करेंगे, 20 हो जाएगी तो हम ज़्यादा परचेज करेंगे, डेट इज नोन एज द डिमांड. अनदर लाइन इज द सप्लाई. ओके. तो व्हेन प्राइस इज 10 रुपीज, प्राइस इज 10 रुपीज तो 2 यूनिट सप्लाई. प्राइस इज 20 रुपीज तो मार्केट में 6 सप्लाई. प्राइस इज 30 रुपीज मार्केट में 8 सप्लाई. तो कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर होता है तो जब सप्लाई इंक्रीज होती है, प्राइस इंक्रीज होती है, तो जैसे किसी टोमेटो की प्राइस अर्ली टाइम 20 रुपीज थी तो मार्केट में 10 kg सप्लाई हो रही है, दैट इज द सप्लाई. ओके. प्राइस 30 रुपीज हुई तो प्रोड्यूसर ज्यादा से ज्यादा सेल करना चाहेगा, 30 रुपीज में कम करना चाहेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा, 15 kg कर देगा. when प्राइस 40 रुपीज हो गई तो और सप्लाई बढ़ा देगा, 20 kg कर देगा. तो प्रोड्यूसर जो होता है ना, हु प्रोड्यूस द गुड्स, उसको जब प्राइस इंक्रीज होती है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट सेल करने की सोचता है. तो दैट इज नोन एज द सप्लाई. दैट इज नोन एज द सप्लाई जो प्रोड्यूसर के लिए होता है. ओके. और व्हाट इज द डिमांड विच प्रोड्यूस बाय द कंज्यूमर, जो कंज्यूमर के द्वारा प्रोड्यूस की जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज द डिमांड. जैसे सपोज प्राइस जितनी कम होगी उतनी ज़्यादा हम परचेस करेंगे. सपोज यू नो टेक्सटाइल मार्केट प्राइस डिक्रीज हुई तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट को परचेस करेंगे, लाइक क्लोथ ज़्यादा परचेस करेंगे. तो दिस इज द वे हाउ टू मार्केट रन. तो डियर, इट इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस, इट वाज फॉर योर कॉमन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड यू विल स्टडी डिमांड एंड सप्लाई इन सीनियर क्लासेज, बट इट इज रिलेटेड टू योर कंसेप्ट कि हाउ टू द प्राइस डिसाइडेड बाय द मार्केट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. तो प्राइस इज डिसाइडेड बाय द मार्केट ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट थ्रू दिस 2 लाइन. वन इज द डिमांड, अनदर वन इज द सप्लाई लाइन. डियर, तो डियर, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट मार्केट. These are the 3 to 4 topic we have discussed. What are the weekly market? What are the shops which are located in your neighborhood? And what are the shopping complex? Today we have discussed. So traders are shop in the day or closed during the evening in weekly market. So there are some features are given in your book regarding the weekly market. Like what are the features are given? Like such market run during the daytime because there is no such electricity facility available in weekly market. But shopping malls are work during night also, not a full night, but 11 or 10 o'clock also, and daytime also. And another one features of the weekly market, there are thousands of such market in India which are run today also. And weekly market, what is the main benefit of weekly market? It held a specific day of week in particular area. Later on, it will be held another areas. Okay. So these are the topics today, dear. We have discussed regarding the weekly market, shopping malls, and shops in our neighborhood. Tomorrow we will continue with this chapter. And if you have any doubt, dear, you may be asked strictly any questions. Okay. Have a good day, dear.